Good morning, class. Today we'll take the another topic of the chapter, the physical features of India. This is very important and very interesting. One of the topic and a very small topic of the chapter, that is the desert of India. We know that India's that deserted land is confined to Rajasthan only, beyond the Aravalli Hills. So the life is very miserable of the people who live there, because we know that desert is always known by the scarcity of water. So let's have a look towards the reason. So the Indian desert lies towards the western margin of Aravalli Hills. The western margin, this is our India, and the main reason is that Rajasthan means it is beyond Aravalli, and we know that it is that undulating sandy plains covered with sand dunes. Sand dunes का मतलब यहाँ पर होता है, dunes is what kind of like piles of snow generally structured by the wind erosion. ठीक है, जब कभी हवाएं चलती हैं तो इस तरीके के पाइलअप बन जाते हैं, which is very beautifully seen. And this region received very low rainfall, that is 150 per year millimeter. ठीक है, बहुत कम बार नाम मात्र को बारिश होती है इस रीजन में. It has arid climate with low vegetation cover. एरिड मतलब बहुत किसी काम का नहीं है, मतलब बहुत बेकार मौसम होता है, यानी कि इसमें कुछ ग्रो नहीं कर सकते. एरिड विच इज़ नॉट सूटेबल फॉर एग्रीकल्चर रीजन. तो स्ट्रीम्स अपीयर ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन. ठीक है, कभी कभी बारिश होती है तो यहाँ पर स्ट्रीम्स का मतलब है हल्के फुल्के नदी नाले जो बने हैं वो दिखाई दे जाते हैं, उनमें पानी आ जाता है. सून आफ्टर दे डिसअपीयर इनटू द सैंड एंड दे डू नॉट हैव एनफ वाटर टू रीच टू द सी. मतलब पानी जो है वो ड्रेन पूरा नहीं होता, सी तक नहीं पहुंच पाता. ठीक है, अरेबियन सी तक नहीं जा पाता, तो पानी उतना ही रहता है. लूनी इज वन ऑफ द मेन रिवर इन दिस रीजन एंड इट हैज़ बीन एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द सतलुज रिवर. सतलुज की ही वो उससे निकाली गई रिवर है. सो बारचन्स, दैट इज द क्रिशन शेप ऑफ ड्यून्स over the larger area, but longitudinal dunes become more prominent near the Indo-Pak boundary. If you visit Jaisalmer, you will go to the sea group to see a group बारचन्स. बारचन्स बोलते हैं जब वो सुंदर फीचर बन जाती है आपकी ड्यून्स की, दैट इज कॉल. एंड वी नो दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट जो है इसका आपका राजस्थान में ही आता है डेजर्ट का. पाकिस्तान में इसका कम है, पंजाब का रीजन ज़्यादा है. आप देखते हैं मैप का स्ट्रक्चर भी इसी तरीके से है. सो दिस वॉज ऑल अबाउट द डेजर्ट ऑफ इंडिया. नाउ another feature is that is the coastal plain. Coastal plain, we know that the coastal plain very clearly I told in the class to you people, if you remember, you were there. The coastal plain when we talk about, this is our coastal plain. Coastal line, coastal line, this is our coastal line, कोस्ट लाइन. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमारा ये वेस्टर्न घाट है. ठीक है, ये हमारा कोस्टल प्लेन हो जाता है, आउटर रीजन. दिस इज अवर कोस्टल प्लेन. तो कोस्टल प्लेन्स, द पेनिसुला प्लेटूज इज फ्लैंक्ड बाय द स्ट्रेच नैरो कोस्टल strips running along with the Arabian Sea and west in the Bay of Bengal. ठीक है, ये एरिया जो है ये आपका कोस्टल प्लेन है. And it is the west coast and sandwiched between the Western Ghat and Arabian Sea is narrow plain. Sandwich तो अपने आप ही बनेगा. आप देख सकते हैं कि जब I told you कि ये लाइन आपका कोस्टल लाइन है, ये आपका वेस्टर्न घाट है, ये आपका कोस्टल प्लेन है. तो वेस्ट मीन्स समटाइम द कोस्टल लाइन इज कॉल्ड द सैंडविच, है ना. सो इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ three section. In the previous video I told you the three sections, and they are the northern part in the coastal called the Konkan, Mumbai, जिसको हम गुजरात कोस्ट भी बोलते हैं. And another, the central stretch is called that Kannada plain, and while the southern stretch referred as the Malabar coast. Remember I told in the previous one, again I'm telling you, this is the Gujarat coast or Konkan region, then this is the Kannada region, this is the Malabar coast. Here when we discuss in the eastern white, till the curve taking place, it is the Coromandel coast, and after when it is slanting just, it is northern Sirkar. So there are 5 sects we discuss here. The plains along with the Bay of Bengal are wide level. Northern plain is referred as the Northern Sarkar and the southern part is known as Coromandel Coast. Large rivers such as Mahanadi, then Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri and have formed the extensive delta on this coast. We know that major rivers of South India, they fall in Bay of Bengal because of slope and they make delta there. Okay. So, Chilka Lake is one of the largest saltwater lake in India and it lies in the state Orissa and south of Mahanadi Delta. So, in easily the map of India you can get physical features when we discuss this. You can see easily. This is one. This is here Mahanadi. Below this that is Chilka Lake. ये आपका बिल्कुल ये जो आपका area है ये Chilka Lake है and you must remember sometime it come to fill in the map. Okay. Let's proceed to the topic. So, coastal plain we discussed. These are the coastal plain. Now another topic is of, let me see the time. It's 6-minute video. It is enough because if I take Andaman and Nicobar collectively, that will be very difficult to explain because major portion will be left. So I stop this video here. So in that particular the coastal plain and desert we discussed. So you must know desert means main important feature is that the rainfall, the crescent or you can say shaped dunes are formed there. Luni is one of the main river. Rainfall is 150 mm and the reason particularly is beyond the Aravalli Hills. This is one of the some of the main features of that coastal plains. The coastal plains are dissected into 5 points, 5 segments. Okay, all we have to learn and the special characteristics of Eastern Ghat and Western Ghat with coastal region and the main river of this region Chilka is one of the main largest saltwater lake in this region. Okay, I stop this video here. Thank you. Have a nice day.